Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Hakaway ka Jingja Pynïap Breu kabalaja hakasnong Pahamsyiem Nongpoh Ribhoy District. Layo jingtip baha ka step jong ka arpo hunreu taring nailur arjar arpo uway ubreu ubaha karta laipo snem AA ula Pynïap yala ka jong ka kurem kabadang khat khandai snem karta. Ki pulit kila mare siya ka jaka baja ka ka Jingja marsin yo jingtip na kinong yalam shnong hakapor khatway baje AA bat kila lapru ya ka medyap kanthai kabathia harut jong ka surok shnong Pahamsyiem. Katkum ka jingtip balayo lum laong baha ka bala don ka Jingïa hapdeng kineki arngot bala suba ba ula Pynïap yaka tang nakadaw ka Jingïa bat ka balaong ru ba kineki dang ya salang mentala katu kat nepor. Ki pulit kila kiam ya une ubreu bala register mukat duma persyaya bat ka telong kubor na ki pulit kala yathu ba ki pulit kidang penlong ya ka jingtokit ka babnia halor ka ka Jingja bat kidang penlong ru ya ka postmortem ya ka tay ka medyam.
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Nongpoh police station received information from the headman of Pahamsyiem, Nongpoh, that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Nongpoh police also managed to apprehend him in the Nongpoh police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection. Thank you.